Hi, Bodhi.
Hello,
I will. This is 11-month-old Bodhi and 3-year-old Willa Bean. How are you?
Good. I'm flapping my wings.
And why do you have wings?
Because I'm a fairy.
You're a fairy. Oh, is Bodhi flapping too? Hi. Oh, hi, my love. Yeah. And what are we having for lunch today?
Noodles.
Noodles? Are they really good?
Yeah.
Bodhi, do you like them? Do you want some more? Can you say more? You don't say more anymore, do you? You just yell. Here's more noodles. Oh. You're very handsome in your pink bib. Willa, can you sing me a short song?
Oh, I love it my way. And I got a princess. And a princess, marry a princess.
That was very nice. And what are you going to be when you grow up?
Elsa.
You're going to be Elsa? But what do you want to do for a job?
I'll be a doctor.
Oh, that's nice. And help people feel better? What should Bodhi be?
A rocket ship.
A rocket ship. Yeah. I see that.
You be a
Yeah.
rocket ship.
Oh, he's nice. Hi. This boy's going to turn 1 in a month. And he loves his nummies. Alright. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye. Can you say bye? There you go. Love you guys.